Hello friends, here I am Talha Kaleem again in Math and CAD tips. Friends, today we are going to discuss array command of AutoCAD. So let's do it. For your information, array command can be applied to 2D drawings as well as 3D objects. And the procedure to use this command is same for the both. Here we have two spheres, one small and one large. The smaller sphere has half of itself inside the larger one, therefore you cannot see the other half of it. Now we can use polar, path and rectangular array commands to get very useful results. Let's first use the polar array command and try to make some pattern using smaller sphere. Click the polar array icon there, select the sphere and press enter. It reads that either you want array around some base point or axis of rotation. The concept of base point applies to planar objects and can only produce array along XY plane, which is by default. However, we may also want array along some other planes as well. So we can use axis of rotation option for that purpose. Since we have also drawn some axes already, choosing axis of rotation and selecting both points of axis makes an array with default properties. However, we can change these default properties to our choice. Okay, no need to change associative property or base point since we are using axis of rotation instead of base point. Item means number of elements in array. Let's make these 18. And angle means angle between each element of array. But that is already uniform, so that's good. Angle fill represents the angle which is filled with array. At present it's 360. If we make it 90 degrees, you can see that the elements are now trying to adjust themselves within 90 degrees of space, which does not look good, so leave it as default. You can also specify number of rows you want for this array. In this case, it's the vertical count of the layers, and you can even specify the distance between these rows. However, level represents the horizontal layers and you also specify distance between them. But in the present case, we will leave it as default. And press enter to accept all the properties that we have chosen. Now, let's make an array of same properties along the second axis. That looks nice. Now, let's get to know how to use the path array. again has those same type of properties that we have already dealt with, except the option of method. Inside of it we will select divide. What it will do, it will divide all the elements uniformly over the whole path. Interesting. We have got same effect with path array now. Rectangular array is a planar type of array, and in here we select counts, spacing, number of rows, columns and levels. And after selecting all these things, we hit enter to apply properties. This was all for today. We will meet again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe channel and press bell icon. Goodbye.